I'm back here again with a dash cam which records both front view and the rear view of your car. As we all know, nowadays we've got a lot of bogus claims on motorways. We've also got some motorists who drive a kind of recklessly on the motorway. In order for you to prevent any bogus insurance claim, I think something like this will help. And also, it's also a way of protecting some of our cyclists in terms of rare views where you might not be able to see the cyclist on the rear view, but while trying to reverse your car, or maybe there might be some unexpected, maybe little kid or somebody standing behind the car, which you might not see. So just quickly, let's go into it and see what it's like. I'm going to open it and I'll show you how to set it up, and there are a lot of it online which are affordable, and they are also easier to fix. So first and foremost, let's see what it's like. Here we go. Voila, this was like, here is it. It's got kind of a nice shiny mirror, as you can see. It's got an XD card here which you insert into the SD card. This is the GPS for the rear view once it's fitted, and this is the one you plug in into your car while you're driving. Even when you turn it off as well, sometimes it does take about 10-15 minutes to go off, and it will still continue recording. Right, let's go into the swing of things and see how it plays out, and let's see some of the accessories that comes with it. Right, this looks lovely. I can see these are what will hold the dash cam, the front dash cam, with your inside mirror, your center mirror. I think this is for the back of the rear view while screwing it in. Here is the this will be wired in, and this is the rear view camera, as you can see, brand new. You wire it through, then you plug this particular section in here. Plug it in here, as you can see. Plug it in here, right? Then this will be at the back, in between. It might be at the top of your plate, your reg number. You can put it very close to where your light is. It depends on you. You just get it done. You don't have to screw it in. As you can see, it's got something like a glue, a 3mm VHB, which you can just stick to it and it will stick together. And I think that's about it. Here's the name, Toguard. There you go. So that's it. So today I will be getting the front view on, and maybe in my next video I will show you how to sort out the rear view. Right, come with me and let's see how it plays out. First and foremost, I'll put this here, as you can see. Tap this here, and the second holder here. And for this, I'll show you what you do with this once it's fitted. So you put this round your central mirror, fasten it properly, and that's it. Easier to fix, like I said. There you go. Right, it's fitted. And the next thing you do, 1 second. Yeah, that's done. That's it. So the next thing, there's a cable that comes with it to lighten it up. But before then, what we'll do, I've inserted the SD card. You can put maybe 32 GB, 64. It can also take 64 GB. It can take 16, 18, depending on the memory card you've got. So I've put my 32 SD card in here. So next is you move this, you slide this to your left, showing the Toguard, and then this side of the cable, connect it to this, and once connected, you're good to go. And this, plug it to your cigarette lighter charger, and there you go. And the Toguard sign comes out. Seems it's not fully. There you go. So here you've got your stop, the stop sign. I hope everyone is seeing this. Here you've got the settings, the stop. You have to stop it to change any settings. I've changed the time. I think I've shown you that yesterday. You pause this. Can you see the sound? Then you go into settings and change whatever you want to change. You can loop it for 3 minutes. You can loop it for 1 minute, depending on what your audio recording must be on. Your travel lapse, your auto power, the date. I've changed the date and time, as you can see. The next thing, the date and time is sorted out. So timestamp, everything, screensaver, depending on how you want it. The G-sensor, everything is got. The speed position, if you want it to be miles per hour, you put it on miles. If you want it for kilometers per hour, depending on your geographical zone. And the memory card, sometimes if your memory card is full, you can also format it from here. As you can see, you can format the memory card. Can you see? All data will be formatted. So once it's formatted, it's going to let you know, format completed, all done, and it's happy days. It's recording. How do you know it's recording? There must be a red sign here showing, blinking, to show that it's recording. And that's it about it. Like I said, the recaps, you fasten the rubber that comes with it, plug it into the cigarette lighter side, and it's happy days. Right, subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and my next video will be how to sort out the rear view. I'll show you how to drill. I'll show you how to run it through the sides, you know, to the back of your car as well. Anyway, that's about it for now. Hope to speak to you soon again. Bye for now.
Artlist.io. I finally found some eyes that see me from the inside. Nothing. Music licensing reimagined. Not even from myself.